All right, I want to talk about these now. These are Tonkas, like 3.5 inch long Tonkas from 1978 is what is stamped on the base. Made in Mexico. They may have produced these more than 1978. I don't really know, but I like these a lot. So I got the two pickup trucks. And in the back, we got the Star Chaser van. So why don't we start with the pickup trucks? So the first one here, it's plastic, hard plastic, but it does have the metal base here. And there's a quick look at the base. As exciting as it is. And here's a look at the truck. Pretty much the same thing on that side. And it has a little thing for something so you can pull a trailer or something. Now, what I don't understand about these are the holes in the back here. And let me explain why. So when you look at this one here, it just says wrecker service. So obviously a wrecker would be a tow truck. So I don't know if it had some sort of a towing rig in the back. If anybody knows, please let me know. I like the graphics on this one a lot. It's really pretty clean. You know, not perfect. Got a little bit of, you can see some age and stuff on the axles there. But the decals and everything are really good on this one. Plus I like the way the color from the door goes onto the roof. Gives it a nice two-tone look to it. So those are cool. Alright, so let's shift into this Star Chaser van. There's a good look at the graphics. Got the window in the back. Still has a lot of the lettering, the Tonka lettering on the wheels. Oops. Anyways, look at the back and the other side. And this one basically got the metal base plate here. But a lot of it's plastic. I think the body of the van might be metal. Feels like metal. But pretty cool. I like vans. I like all toy cars. I like them all. But I like vans a lot. And there are lots of variations of these little Tonka vans. I have one other one, but it's kind of rusted out, so didn't figure it'd be worth putting in the video. But this one's really nice. Hoping to find some more of these in the future. Hopefully some of you guys and ladies might like this type of thing here. Thanks for watching.